What the fuck is that?
You weren't ready. You're gonna regret it.
Well, hello everybody. My name is Shaytosweet, call me Shay for short, and today we were going to be reacting to a stop motion animation. I heard it was supposed to be really good. It's called Spooky Train Stops Here, Room 1. So I saw that there's room 2, so I want to watch room 1, then go watch room 2. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. Hey. Oh my god. Is this wow. That escalated very quickly.
I said Joe.
Okay.
You're not married because you're too busy visiting your mother all the time. It's not normal.
Well, since Dad's gone, and now Tony's gone, you'd be a bit vulnerable, not to mention lonely. Don't you agree?
If you've caught the other bus like your brother did, I'm gonna be very upset, Joe.
I'm not like Tony. Don't be so bloody dramatic. I've just not met the right woman yet.
Do you remember what the doctor said? It were instant. Didn't feel a thing, he said.
Oh my god. This is all done out of clay. This guy is okay, no, don't draw the arrow right there. I am so sorry. That is not what I wanted to do. But this is all done out of clay, and this is like amazing. I almost drew the arrow here, and yeah, ADHD is real. That's amazing.
Well, it's quite a nice way to leave this world rather than that, AIDS. Don't you agree?
It's getting late. Take your pills.
Oh. Are these the right ones?
Yes, Mum, take them.
Holy shit.
Bloody old thing.
Who are you calling old?
I'll swing by tomorrow.
And don't come back until you found yourself a nice girlfriend.
Damn.
Oh, God! Curtains! You forgot me curtains!
Holy shit. With a mom like that, do you need anybody else to fuck you over? Like, I'm just saying, like, with a mama like that, do you need anybody else to fuck you over? I mean, like, I guess, well, I don't even know how old he's supposed to be, but, like, if you haven't found the right person, like, work on you, and then you can be able to find the right person. Don't just get somebody just to appease your parents. All right? Message. Oh. This is a beautiful, I'm sorry. I wish I was this talented. Look. The fuck?
Anyone could be looking in.
Oh shit. I've done that plenty of times. I still don't see the spookiness of this yet. Nigga. Did her teeth fall out? Oh, her teeth. Her teeth fell out. don't see the spookiness. I get scared and then ADHD say, her teeth fell out. My bad. Get up. Get up. Hurry the fuck up. I don't know. Is she in like a nursing home? Like she has to be, cause like ain't nobody. No. No.
Get out of my house!
Why did you throw that? Why did you throw that? That's your only weapon. I hate when I watch something scary and the first thing they do is they throw their weapon away. Like, hold on to that bitch. God damn it. Like, sorry, I'm your resident black friend. That's gonna point out the obvious, but just hold on to it, okay?
Broken in. Someone's in the house. I've fallen over and I can't get up. Joe?
She being dramatic, okay? Cause she got up. She's at the phone. Look, okay, maybe she means she can't stand like stand up like straight and stuff. Oh look. Maybe she means that she can't stand up straight, but the bitch got up. So, I mean, like, fucking over dramatic and shit.
It's not Joe, it's me, Tony. They're coming for you. Get out of here before it's too late.
What the fuck is that? Oh my fucking god! What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? It got me. It got me. It got me. Oh. 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 Oh, shit. Oh my god. I mean, it's gruesome, but it looks really nice. I mean, because of the clay. Holy shit.
I'll show you who you're fucking with.
Let's go, Granny. Who the fuck is this? Oh. Oh, those are her sons. Oh, I think that's the son that died. I think, is that her? Ah, holy shit. Oh. It's beautiful. That escalated very quickly. It's gorgeous. Yep. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. I feel real bad for whoever got to clean up this goddamn room. And really bad for the person who got to investigate this room, because I don't even know how you would do it. So I feel really bad for the cleaning staff, the person that's going to find her, and the law enforcement that's going to have to deal with this. There you go. I feel bad for the old broad too. I mean, I feel bad for her too. There you go. I cleared everything. Well, never mind. The cleaning staff ain't got shit to worry about besides a hole in the floor, and then so carpenters got something to worry about. Holy shit, I need them to come to my house and clean my house. God damn. Oh.
She died peacefully in her sleep.
Wow. Oh, she was asleep the whole time. Thank God. Oh, no, never mind. That's even fucked up. Oh, okay. Oh shit. Okay, I get it. I get it now. I get it now. I think she said something about her son being gay. Maybe her you know how some old people are, like I'm gonna be honest and serious. Some old people don't know when to shut the hell up sometimes. And I bet her doctor, he knew that she didn't really fuck with gay people like that. And so her doctor just gave her some pills that will fuck her over. Her son gave him those pills. Probably the son was in on it or did not know. Either or. She ended up having a fucked up dream, ended up having a heart attack in her sleep, and she died. Did this scare me? Oh, I would say I got scared. I jumped. Man, leave it to some stop animation to get me, right? This was really, really good. Oh my God, I cannot wait to see room 2. They have room 1 and then they have room 2, so I cannot wait to see it. All links for this creator, which is Lee Hardcastle. Sorry, dyslexia. Sometimes you gotta write it out in your hand. Lee Hardcastle. He did a phenomenal job. Oh my God. So thank y'all all for watching my channel. I really do appreciate it. Again, thank you. Again, my name is Shaytosweet. You call me Shay for short. And like my grandmother says, so long. I'm out.
It was a nightmare.